Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get like tulips from your gardens or like other flowers and place it in a vase inside of your house. So select take. I already did that. Don't ask me about the video that I just made. It was a mess. But you're going to add in a vase from the decor section of like the build mode, and then it's press E to place your tulips there, and then that's pretty much it really. You can take it and replace this one with that one, but you'll need another vase to transport it. And that is pretty much it. Again, you're just going to you're just going to select take here, but I'll just sell this one. And that is how you can place flowers from your garden into a vase inside your house. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.